Good morning and welcome to another beautiful day up north. Actually, that's a bit of a lie. It's 3 PM and we've only just started our ride. Today, we're tackling the Wascally Way, which includes one of the best bits of gravel I've ever ridden. I'm excited to do it again. It's Daisy's first time doing it today. I've got the 360 camera with me, and I don't know why, but I've chosen the most technical, wiggly bit of trail to do this on ever. Do you reckon this is the best off-road ride up here in the northeast?
I think it's the best one in the country.
You reckon?
And I've ridden them all.
That one section up the road?
The one we're going to get to shortly.
Yeah. Worth it. If we ever get through this headwind, the bit up the road's amazing.
It is pretty spectacular. I hope you can make it look. No, actually, I'm going to start doing the, it's shit. It's the worst road in the country. It's horrible to ride. It smells like poo. You don't want to go there. It's just a filter. Just put a good LUT on it, which you can get from signing up to Francis's Patreon. Link in description.
Such nice light.
So good, isn't it? We haven't even got to the good bit yet. Take a picture of me. Why are we choosing the windiest day ever to do this?
Just take it as it comes, you know? You go, right, what should we do on whatever day it is today?
Ride into a headwind.
We'll go for a bike ride. Is there a headwind? There is. Oh, shit. You know what they say? Where there's a headwind, there's another one going the other way.
What are you doing?
Just spitting flies out.
Nice. There is a lot of flies in the northeast.
Well, there's flies everywhere.
The northeast one's quite like going in my mouth.
You're just used to urbanizations where, like, instead of flies, you get lungfuls of pollution. I'd rather a lung full of flies than a lung full of pollution.
Now it should be a tailwind home. The nice thing about this route also is that it's uphill the whole way, so slightly downhill all the way home too. What I'm saying is it should be rapid, because that is a massive headwind. Do you want to get some KOMs or QOMs on the way home?
No. That way.
No.
It's getting windier and windier. Daisy started going sideways.
Last little bit now.
It's not little though, is it?
It's 8k of 44 km/h winds.
Once you get past that gate, that tree line there, it's every man for himself.
Do you think we're being optimistic that you can even hear any of this?
Yeah, maybe, I don't know, might have to put subtitles.
Yeah, but look at that tailwind back home.
Well, what will the subtitles be? There's not even a wind in sight, it's lovely.
You're heading up further.
Yeah.
To show Daisy the top, and we're heading back.
Going home, you're going up.
We'll see you back at the house.
Yes, if you make it.
These guys aren't too fast about getting to the top because they've seen it a million times, but Daisy hasn't seen it before, so we're gonna keep going.
This is why.
You used to see a sheep like flying across the...
Oh, I can't do that. So we've made it pretty far up the route now. There's a tiny house at the top there, which we're not going to go to just because it is so windy and the next section is so exposed. My camera's blowing over. I'm going to set out this 360 camera and see if I can get some cool footage on the way down. There's a road running alongside here, and that's part of the Tour of the Reservoir circuit. Last time I raced it, we had winds like this. So everyone was just sideways in echelons going down this 70k an hour descent. You okay? You ready to go now? It's going to be a fast ride back. Wascally Way. Completed it, mate. Well, almost. We'll go to the top another day when it's not so windy. You do really well. I was sat on.
Only thanks to the e-bike. It's hard work being up here.
What a brilliant day and a brilliant ride. Having that on your doorstep must be so good. I'm jealous of Jimmy and Emily. We've had a stonking tailwind all the way home. Sun's been out all day. I might even end up going home with a tan. The day's not over yet though. You wanted a guitar outro? How about the whole second half of this video? What are you doing there, Emily?
I'm just enjoying the sun.
It's only on your forehead.
It feels very warm, like just here.
Yeah, that's where it is.
Got to enjoy it while you get it.
Did you have a nice ride back?
Literally did not pedal once and was going about 40 km.
It was great, wasn't it? We went to the gate where you could see the building.
Oh, yeah,
so pretty close, but yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it was getting pretty windy up there.
Even with that on, it was just like, nope. And Francis pointed out the house and I was like, that's still ages away. So I think we did an extra 3 kilometres.
Best gravel ride in the UK, probably. Scotland must have some good stuff. We could ride up there, can we? No, I've only got a week left. Oh well. Save it till next time.
Down in the corner of the jiggly car.
And we are wobbling around quite a lot. Right, boys, afternoon. We're on a mission. We're going to go and pick up a drum kit.
Yep.
I did actually take my guitar with me up north, so we've got guitar in the back. Meeting up with a guy called Joe, and we're going to play some music. So
I said that funny, didn't I? I don't know where
Joe, because he's northern.
Yeah, okay. Joe Hyams is actually one of Emily's school friends.
Oh wow.
He's one of the first friends of Emily's I ever met. He's actually a guitar teacher and an actual teacher and a guitar teacher. Like double teaching skills.
We're going to make some noise.
What do you do when the weather's crap?
I don't know, what do you do when the weather's crap?
Indoor hobbies. What's an indoor hobby? Thus, we shall make noise tonight. Well, it sounds like we're going to make love to each other, doesn't it? This is Joe.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Joe runs Wilier Jamming Studios. Do you get it, Wilier Jamming? You don't get it, do you?
We are jamming.
But it's Wilier side.
Oh.
Wilier, W-E-A-R.
He plays guitar better than me, so we'll just let him do it. I'll be the cameraman.
recorded that little riffing off Philip Stace years ago, and that's fucking exactly how I pictured it with the fucking drums. and I'd never ever thought about going C to the D there and then getting the drum.
I think I need to put my earplugs in deeper.
I think I need to get some earplugs.
Yeah, I was just thinking there, like,
I really need some earplugs. That was like loud. Why are the drums so loud? It's your fault. You brought your own drum kit instead of just using the drum kit that was here. That's smaller.